Welcome to our introductory session on the Safer Choice Partner Community. The Safer Choice Partner Community is a secure cloud-based Salesforce platform that streamlines the process of ingredient and product approval for Safer Choice product manufacturers. The Safer Choice community is FedRAMP certified and National Institute of Standards and Technology Computer Security 800 compliant. With the Safer Choice Partner Community, partners can easily submit a request for a product review cost quote to a third-party profiler, submit new products and renewals to a third-party profiler for review, and submit private label products to Safer Choice for review. Partners can also view the status of their submissions and view upcoming audit and renewal dates. For more information on the Safer Choice review process, please visit www.epa.gov/saferchoice and select Resources for Manufacturers. The Safer Choice community is administered by EPA, and all qualified Safer Choice third-party profilers have access. You can contact your third-party profiler or email saferchoice@epa.gov to request a login and get started. Let's take a closer look. This is the homepage of the Safer Choice Partner Community. Your Submissions is where submissions you are currently working on will appear. Click on the submission number to resume editing a submission you have started. Status of Formal Review Submission is where you will see the status of any products you submit to a third-party profiler for formal review. You will be able to tell when your third-party profiler has received your information, when they initiate and complete their review, when Safer Choice has completed their review, and when the product has been approved by Safer Choice. Private label submissions is where you will see the status of private labels of your products that you submit to Safer Choice for review. Similar to a new formal review submission, you will be able to see when your private label submission has been received and reviewed. In the Safer Choice program, products go through renewal every 3 years, and manufacturers undergo annual audits. The Product Renewals, Company Audits, and Private Labeled Products section indicates upcoming product renewals and audits with their due dates to easily help you keep track of deadlines. This information is also available in the Renewals, Audits, and Private Labels tab. The Resources tab provides a user guide and helpful links for first-time submitters. There is also contact information in case you need help. Let's look at how to create a new product submission. Choose the Create New Product Submission tab. You will be asked whether you are submitting for a quote or a formal review. The information you will need to have on hand to submit for a quote or a formal review can be found in the Product Submission Checklist in the Resources tab. Let's submit for a formal review. First, you will see some helpful tips and a table of contents to navigate to a specific section. Use the table of contents if you are coming back to a submission you have already started and want to continue where you left off. When you click Next Page, you will start by filling in information about your company and continue in the next section by adding contact information. Next, you will fill in information about your product, including the product name, production volume, and product uses. On the product information page, you can select the type of submission you are creating. For example, an initial review, a reformulation, or a renewal. In the next few pages, you will be asked about product characteristics such as general product chemistry, regulatory information, and the product's packaging. Next, you will enter your product's formulation, including ingredient trade names, suppliers, chemical abstract service or CAS number, and ingredient safety data sheets, which can be easily uploaded. There is also an attachments page to upload any additional documentation as needed. Before you submit, you will see a summary page with all of your submission information. On the summary page, you will be able to review your submission, easily see whether anything is missing, and create a copy of a product, which is useful in cases where one submission has multiple products that are similar to each other. On the summary page, you also have the ability to download your formulation and submission information. Once you complete all the required information and review it, you'll be ready to submit to a third-party profiler. When you come back to the community to submit new products, renewals, or reformulations, you will be able to create a copy of a previous product and then edit only the details you need to change, rather than starting from scratch each time. In addition, the Create New Private Label Submission tab allows you to easily submit private labels of your products for Safer Choice review and approval. In conclusion, submitting products for Safer Choice review is easier than ever. Contact your Safer Choice third-party profiler or email saferchoice@epa.gov to request a login and get started.